Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, when the news of the martyrdom of Hazrat Zaid bin Harisa, Hazrat Jafar bin Abi Talib, and Hazrat Abdullah bin Rawaha reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the signs of gloom exuded from him. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that she was watching from the slit of the door that a man came and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Jafar's women are wailing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and stop them. He went and then came back to say that they did not obey him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again asked him to go and forbid them. He came back again and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they have overcome us. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that she thinks Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and stuff their mouth with dirt. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that she said to herself, may your nose get dusty. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you neither do what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has commanded you, nor relieve the agony of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2158.